Are you facing difficulty in connecting washing machine tap adapter? Or your pre-installed tap adapter started leaking all of a sudden? You are at the right place. After watching this video, you will be able to do it by yourself. So let's get started. This is known as Faucet Water Tap Adapter. It is easily available online or in any hardware store nearby you. Let's dismantle it before fixing it onto the tap. This adapter mainly consists of total 4 number of parts. Here we have a plastic base, a rubber washer, a teflon backup ring, and a metal connector. Take the metal adapter, which consists of 4 number of screws, and place it inside the tap. Make sure that threaded part is on the lower side. Now once it is fixed on the place, with the help of a screwdriver, tighten all the screws. Now place the teflon backup ring from the bottom side. Take the rubber washer and place it from the bottom side. Before fixing the plastic connector, make sure that the filter is clear and then screw it down on the metal thread. Now firmly tighten it with the help of your hand. Please don't use spanner because it may break this plastic base, and check for any kind of leakages. This is how easy it is to fix it. Now we will look into leaking pre-installed tap adapter and will learn how to repair it. In most of the cases, after a few months of installation, it starts leaking heavily all of a sudden. I will show you the trick how to repair this leakage without buying a new adapter or totally free of cost. Major source of leak is the damaged rubber washer or scale formation between rubber washer and face of the tap. Firstly, we will disconnect the inlet water hose to the washing machine by just pushing it down. Slacken all the screws of the metal connector and remove the whole assembly. Now the trick in this repair is to remove the teflon ring and put the rubber washer directly without any support. While assembling the adapter, we are not going to put this teflon ring. Now follow the same step of fixing the connector with the help of a screwdriver. We are going to put the rubber washer directly without the teflon backup ring. We are doing this because the teflon ring restricts the movement of a rubber washer. Now rubber washer will directly sit on the face of the tap and it will provide a watertight seal. Now screw down the plastic connector and secure it tightly, so that the face of tap should bite the rubber packing to make a watertight seal. After it is done, now it's time for the leakage test. Open the tap and restrict flow of water by placing the finger on the outlet. As you can see, there is no leakage from any part of the adapter. Now finally fix the hose and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe to my channel for more updates.